Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Addison, once again of Property Hunter Ghana. I always advise people or ask people to subscribe to the channel whenever you watch a video for the first time. Some people do, some people don't. But if this is your first time on the channel, my name is Addison. I do video tours of houses in Accra that are for sale, and I am the real estate agent for Property Hunter Ghana. And today I am in East Legon Hills at these fantastic 4-bedroom houses, huge luxury mansions in East Legon Hills, going at giveaway prices. So there are two units available, this one and this one. The only difference is that when you look at the balcony on top there, this one has a straight edge and that one is a little rounded. That is the only difference with the two houses, but I'll be taking a look at this one. You have your security post here. It has its own washroom and everything, and then you have your main gate that will be automated. The house is virtually completed, but there are some few touches that needs to be done. It has a huge compound. Let me stand this way and show you the compound so that you have a very good look at it. But this is the side of the house, very spacious side to the house, and this is the compound. The sun is up this afternoon. This is the side of, this is the compound, huge compound. You can park as many cars here as you want, and that is the main gate. We will go into the house in a minute so that I can show you how the inside looks like. But the fantastic thing about this price is that the location is fantastic and the price is a giveaway price. When the guy told me about the price, I was shocked. Because in this area prices are quite high, but this one is at a really fantastic price, very competitive price, and the owner is ready to work with you to talk about the price if you want to do some of the work yourself. So the place is a little messy because it hasn't been cleaned. I wasn't able to wait for the owner to do the cleaning, so I asked him to let me just do the video and we'll do the cleaning later. So that will be your dining area. The kitchen door is that one. We'll go inside a little bit, but that will be your dining area. And this area will be your sitting area with your TV set on this wall. So look at this, huge living dining area. So your TV set will be on that wall. And then you have your furniture around the TV like that. Really nice. And that is the stairs that goes to the top. Lots of large windows all around, bring a lot of light. And you have your guest washroom under the stairs here. But then this is your first room on the ground floor. This will be more or less your visitors room, and the wardrobe will be along that wall like that. You have a huge wardrobe along that wall with the POP fixture, very nicely done there, very nice. And you have your washroom in here. So you have your washroom with a golden shower head, really nice here. Huge washroom for that matter. I mean the guest washroom, in the guest room quite large, and the fittings and stuff are not fully done, they are still being done. So the price is as when it's fully completed. So the price quoted is the price when the house is fully completed, and you will have your living area, your dining area here, sorry, with the POP design, very nicely done. And you will have some family pictures within this wall, very nicely done. The molding, when I saw the molding, I asked the guy, was the house built by a Nigerian? He said yes. And I said that's quite typical, because most likely or most often it's the Nigerians who like the molding on the wall like that. So the kitchen will be finished, the cabinetry will be fixed in the kitchen, and you have your POP design, very nicely done. And this is the kitchen store. or your pantry. So the kitchen will be fixed, the cabinetry will be fixed in the kitchen. Shouldn't worry at all about it. As I said, left with some few touches to complete. So I just want to show you the this will be your laundry. So the laundry area is behind the house. So when you finish with your laundry, you have your drying lines just along this area or at the back of the house. So you can put your drying lines at the back of the house. You finish with the laundry, you dry the clothes, and then that will be so simple for you to do. So the laundry is outside behind the house where your drying lines will be. Most often in Ghana, let me close this door. Most often in Ghana, the laundries we have or the washing machine usually will not come with or people don't usually buy the dryer. You usually buy the washing machine without the dryer. So you want to dry your clothes in the sun. That's what most people prefer. But if you have your washing machine and the dryer, then you will need to put up a drying line, as I said. So we are going to the top here. Look at that, very nicely done. Very, very nice. So the price on this house is really competitive, as I said, because prices in this area can be quite high, but this one is competitive, almost a giveaway. This will be your family area, so your TV will be on the wall there, and you have some furniture around this area. And this will be your second bedroom. This one comes with a private balcony. All the rooms are really good size rooms. Look at that. Really good size room. Your wardrobe will be along this area. All the wardrobes will fix. It comes with a private balcony. You see the houses around the area. Really, really nice ones. Okay. So let's take a look at the third bedroom. This will be your third bedroom. That is it. And your wardrobe will be along in that corner there. The wardrobe will be fixed. Everything will be fixed before you move in. And the place will be cleaned before you move in. This is your washroom with a shower head over there. Very huge basin. And that is your crown. Okay. A nice POP works there. Everything will be fixed for you before you move in. The construction is still ongoing. There are some few touches or few stuff left to be completed. He will complete everything. I think they will even do another painting of the wall. I think this will be this is the first coating, because if you look in here, you can see that this is the first coating. So I'm sure they'll do another painting of the wall. This is the master bedroom. Huge master bedroom here. Look at that. Huge master bedroom. And that is a POP ceiling. Very nicely done. Let me stand in this corner and show you the master bedroom. Look at that. Very nice one. I think your bed could be along this wall, in between the windows. Your bed could be here. Or no, I think your bed could be here. That'll be a nice place, because this, you could have a TV on this wall, because there's a TV. There is the TV line here, so you could have a TV on this wall, and that will look quite nice. And here you have your walk-in closet. You have a walk-in closet, and then you have a master bath. So you have a single vanity and your shower head, and that is the throne. I think this will host a jacuzzi somewhere here. I think a jacuzzi will be placed here. That will be really, really nice. And it has a private balcony. The master bedroom, it has a private balcony. So that is the private balcony. And if you see the area, very nice houses coming up in this area. East Legon Hills is one of the up and coming area that has really, really nice houses. Let me show you the yard from the top here. That is a yard, huge yard here. and that is the other one. Okay, so if you're interested in this house, please give me a call, and let's start talking business quickly. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.